What's up, Life on Wheels guys and family and gals? Welcome back. I hope you had a good Christmas. I am in the shop, and you can see it's pretty well lit up here. Well, it's because I started getting some lights in now. Granted, I have to finish wiring them in. Right now I just got plugged into an outlet, and then we're going to run all of our outlets today. Oh, the conduit, we're going to set our box, and then that way we can get to the wiring part of everything. So, but yeah, let me show you what we're working with. So we got the lights right here. That third light, I got to wire it in. This is just a start. I'm going to add some more on that back side there, and then more on this back side here. This is what I picked up today. So I'm going to get them all wired in. That way, I mean, there's going to be plenty of light in here. Dad. What do you say about it, Barefoot Bandit?
Daddy.
What? Okay, so, and I'm going to set my panel right here. It's going to come in from the outside. The box is going to set right there, 100 amp sub-amp panel. Run down to an outlet and switch for all the lights. Then outlet, put an outlet in the center, and then we're going to mount a TV right there and everything else after we get it insulated. So I'm going to get all the electrical done and the insulation done, and then we're going to do the concrete. So that's why it's still dirt, just because we're going to do concrete last. We're going to get all this done, and then we'll do the concrete. Then that way, anything I need to run underground or bury or whatever I want to do, I can. So, but yeah, there's the insulation in the over there, and we're going to get going. And I'm going to try to set up over here and get this thing knocked out. Let me set y'all right here real quick. Plug these lights back in. Voila! Let there be light. But anyways, let me show you what we're working with. Went through and set the outlets all at the same height. That way they're visually appealing, and they're where I want them as far as height-wise. Like I said, I'm going to add a couple outlets. So I'm going to add an outlet up there, a couple outlets down through there, up there as well. I'm just trying to get this side plumbed in because this is where I got to run the box to the house. So basically, I'm going to get that portion done first, and then we'll worry about that side because I'm going to have to get this box in and then get the conduit ran out there to the power pole. So that's the plan right now, but it's coming along pretty good. Got a couple lights in here now. That way I can plug in and work and actually film and it not be like just pitch black in here. It's temporary, but either way, we're making progress. This is the first day I've had anything any time to do anything. So, since all the holidays and everybody off work doing stuff and everything. We're gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna try to get the rest of the panels and everything up, and then the next video we will be finishing the trunk. I've got the parts to do it. I've just I haven't had time, and I want to make a really good video for that one. Last couple of videos have been short, and I haven't completed a whole lot just because I haven't had time, and I just want to get some videos out and show that I'm trying to do something on the car. So. One thing I wanted to mention though is just, what would the subscriber, what would everybody think about, putting a modern power plant in this thing? I'm really aiming to go back towards big block and, big block on some nitrous. I thought that would be really fun and cool, but, I don't know, just drop a comment below, see what you think. What are your opinions? It's original big block car, but I don't have the motor anyways. It didn't come with it. So, it really doesn't have any value. And I'm going to kind of make it a street strip car. I'm not going to cut it all to pieces. I'm going to make it a nice cruiser that I can take to the track and have some fun. And then I have an idea what I want to build after this. So, I'm hoping to have this car wrapped up by middle of late next year. There's a lot of work for one person. I don't have any help. And also, too, just trying to get the funds to put everything together. Parts for this car is fairly cheap, but Just trying to get this shop built at the same time and actually get somewhere like really good to work on it and take good videos. So that's the biggest thing, is just the whole future of the channel eventually. So, but drop a comment below. What are your thoughts? You know, I don't want to go LS because everybody has an LS, but it's easy power, it's cheap power, and it's fun. But or do we go big block and go nitrous and shoot the crap out of it and have some fun when people pull up beside us, or if we're taking it on the cruise late next year? My goal is to hit a drag drive by the end of the year, one of them. And so I've got a long way to go for that, but, you know, it'll just be a street car. You know, it'll probably be, you know, 13, 14 second, you know, car. That'll be about it, to be honest with you, unless it does something different. But, you know, I just want to have something fun to play with and take my daughter on cruises and stuff. So drop a comment below. What's your thoughts? What do you think? So, well, that's it for this video. The next one, like I said, it'll be more in depth and better, and we'll finish the car, finish cutting up the trunk and getting the trunk out and then putting the trunk in. We're going to make a really detailed video of that. So, all right. Thank you, y'all.